Welcome to another video on how to unhide posts on Facebook timeline. Hey guys, I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your Facebook application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. And now click on Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings. Now once you land on the settings page, scroll down. And under your activity section, you'll be able to find Manage Your Past Activities. Click on it. After this process, scroll down to the very bottom and click on View Activity History button. Next, from this page, tap on Filters option under Archive and now select Categories. Next, click on Logged Actions and Other Activities. Now from the drop-down menu, select Hidden from Profile option. Now here you'll be able to find all the posts that you have hidden from your profile. To unhide it, simply tap on three dots next to it and simply click on Add to Profile. And that's it, you'll be done. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.